We'll guide you through how to unlock the home screen on a Samsung. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So here we are on my device. If I go and tap and hold on an app I want to reposition or remove, for example Spotify here, I then try and move it, you go and see you get this pop-up saying home screen layout is locked. And let's say I wanted to go and remove an app, I'll tap and hold on one. I'll then go and press remove, we go and get it again. Now this can be annoying because I want to go and customize it. I want to go and change how it goes and looks by changing their position and adding or removing them. Now this feature is sort of set up to go and preserve your layout because maybe somebody gets a hold of your phone and tries to adjust things like a young child. So it can be useful, but when you're trying to go and customize it, it's annoying. So I'm going to guide you through how you can go about unlocking it. So to do this, we do need to go and locate the settings on our device. So what you need to do is you need to go and swipe across here and maybe on one of the home pages. If it isn't, swipe up. Now what you need to do is go and locate settings. It should be by default on the first page, settings. If it isn't, what you can do is go and press search at the top and go and find it. That's really the easiest way to go and find them. Then what you can do is go and open them up once you've got it. By default, you're going to be right at the top here. Now what you need to do is go and start scrolling down. And we're looking for the option for home screen or home. If you can't go and find it in this list, you can always press the search in the top right, and we can then go and type in home like so. Be patient when it goes and loads, it shouldn't take too long. It has got to search the entire settings. And then what you can do is go in see home screen and press home screen. And then here we are. Now what you need to do is go down and you want to find the option for lock home screen layout. It says prevent items on the home screen from being removed or repositioned. So what I'm going to do is switch that off. Then it will go and let us go and switch on add new apps if you want to. But if we come out of here and I then go and tap and hold an app, you can go and see I can now go and freely move it. It's that simple. You can also go and remove them as well by tapping and holding, and I could go and press remove if I wanted to. So that's it. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the next one.